Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix the Peacock app on a Samsung TV. Alright, let's begin. Now, I don't have a Samsung TV, but I'll show you the steps you can follow along on your Samsung TV, as the process is same. If the Peacock app is not working on your Samsung TV, start with a simple reset. Unplug your TV from the wall outlet and wait for 60 seconds. This performs a full power reset, which helps clear temporary glitches. Plug it back in and launch the app again. If the issue persists, reset your internet connection. Unplug your Wi-Fi router, wait 60 seconds, then reconnect it. Next, go to the home screen, open Settings, then navigate to the Applications section. Select Manage Apps, find the Peacock app, and delete it completely. After that, reinstall it from the App Store. So that's basically how you can fix the Peacock app on a Samsung TV. That's it for this video. Thanks.